Hi everyone.
I'm Ashley and I'm a secondary 4 student that takes Advanced Humanities and Art Elective program.
And I'm Matthew, a secondary 3 student who takes the music program and history. And I also too enjoy these subjects a lot.
Today we'll be sharing more about the Humanities in NJC.
Which is an academic area not offered in primary school, so that you can learn more about it. In history, we learned about how Singapore gained independence, including the journey to it, and the challenges and problems faced. I found this really interesting as I got to learn of Singapore's history to a greater depth that I had previously not known. We also got to learn history in interesting ways too, including using Padlet and other platforms. Other than staying in the classroom, we also did a historical investigation where we went to museums outside our school to do a project of the life of a person in Singapore during the 1980s.
In geography, we learn about the different physical and human features of Singapore and other countries, such as housing and public transport. I greatly enjoy geography because it challenges us to think out of our comfort zone and is a subject that greatly increases my common knowledge. Another subject that I'm really passionate about is art. In lower secondary, we get to do many interesting things in art such as animation and clay work. We also got to use interesting technology like 3D printers. It was very enjoyable because we were able to do things that we had never done before. I'm also currently in the Art Elective program, or AEP for short. AEP is an MOE offered program for students who have an affinity for art. During AEP, we get to explore many different mediums such as oil or acrylic paint, as well as digital mediums like Photoshop. AEP is one of my favorite subjects because it allows us to express creativity through our works. Here are a few of my works. Now, I'm gonna hand over the time to my musically inclined junior Matthew, who will share a few more about the music program in NJC.
I've enjoyed music lessons since the start of secondary 1, and all lower secondary students will have to attend music lessons as part of the general art program for music. During music lessons, we were split into different groups and learned to play various instruments, such as the ukulele. This was an enjoyable experience for me because I was able to spend time with my classmates outside of the classroom. Also, I'm currently enrolled in the music program, or MP for short, which is an elective in NJ. It is not to be confused with the music elective program, the MOE offered program. MP is a program that NJC started for NJCians who are interested in music to take up. In the first 2 years of MP, we get to learn about types of music in, for example, movies or musicals. We also get to learn about different composers and different genres of work. Other than studying music, we also do practical musicianship, where we get to develop our listening skills and also do composing and many other interesting things. MP is one of my favorite subjects as it allows me to learn more about what I'm passionate about, music.
I hope this video has allowed you to learn more about the humanities and arts in NJC. Thank you!